If you are a breastfeeding or pumping mama and you need a solution to carrying around your pump and your milk, look no further than this super cute pump backpack. Okay, so first, it's obviously a backpack. You can wear it, you can adjust the length of the straps. It has a nice cushion here, so you're super comfy. It even has one of these straps that you can attach to a rolling bag if you have one of those. But this has so much room and so many compartments. This can even double as a diaper bag. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First, we have this smaller zipper pocket here, perfect for your keys or maybe your phone. Here we have another decent sized pocket for more goodies, maybe some diapers and wipes. We have a pouch on the side, which I will always put bottles in. We have a second pouch on this side for whatever else you might want to stick in there, plus zipper access to this side. So maybe if you have a pack of tissues or even wipes or something that you can put in here and you can have it sticking out of this little hole, that is a perfect idea for tissues for sure. Let's open this up. I have a Spectra S2 in here. Let's take a look. Inside, you can see my entire Spectra S2 is sitting down in the bottom. I'm gonna pull it out so you can see better. Here's my S2 with all of its pump parts and cords. And here you can see down inside this bag. The S2 was just sitting down in the bottom. We have even more pockets inside. So here you have a nice flat pouch here with Velcro to secure. So maybe you need to slide a laptop or a tablet or something down in there. That's the perfect spot for it so it won't slide around. The entire inside is this super easy wipeable fabric, waterproof inside and out, perfect for carrying around milk and bottles. We also have this included mat, which is perfect if you are washing parts on the go and you need a place to let them dry. Set them out there. If you're transferring milk from your pumps to your bottles, I always tend to spill. You can just throw this down and do that. It's so great. Perfect, especially for if you're in public and you don't want to set your supplies down in a public bathroom on the counter. Also inside, you have this netted area, which is perfect for holding your cords and other pump parts. There's plenty of room on top of the big pump for even more pumps. There's even more pockets inside on the sides here and here. So there are so many pockets, but that's not even the best part of this bag. The best part is this bottom. This is a detachable insulated box. So let's take it out so I can show you. All you have to do is zip it all the way around and it will pop right off. And here we go. Let's take a look. This bag has its own handle, first of all. This, I cannot even tell you how many times I would have loved having this earlier on in my journey. So many times I'm going into a place and I have to take my entire pump bag with me because I just need the milk that's insulated. This I can zip off of the pump bag, leave the rest in the car if I don't need it, and just carry the milk in the bottles. So let's open this up so you can see it. It has a double zipper, which we love. Zip it all the way around here. Inside, we're fully insulated here, as well as we have a little net there. So one of the really cool parts about this bag is that it comes with ice blocks. These are the little coolers that this comes with. All you have to do is unscrew the top, fill them with water, and freeze them, and they're ready to go. So I have a couple different options here to show you with bottles. We use the Philips Avent bottles. This one has just the storage top on it. This one has a nipple. And then we also have, these are glass. We also have a plastic one in the smaller size. If you have the smaller size, you can fit 6 in here. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super easy. Zip it back up. And with the bigger bottles, you'll want to set this down and do like this and zip it up. Let me show you that even the large bottles fit in here. This is such a cool, unique product that I wish I had earlier on in my journey, but it's not too late for you to grab it. So I highly recommend